Braised pork leg. Ingredients: half leg of pork, about 7–10 pounds. 3 stalks of green onions. 1½ inch of ginger. 3-star anise. 1 bulb of garlic. 1 cup soy sauce. ½ cup shaoxing rice wine. 1/4 cup sugar. 2 tablespoons mirin, optional. Instructions: rub pork leg with some soy sauce to help browning process. Brown pork leg on all sides in a frying pan, 2–3 minutes each side. Stir fry ginger, garlic, and green onions until fragrant, 2–3 minutes. Add soy sauce, rice wine, sugar, mirin, and star anise. Add pork leg and braise for 2 hours in a pot, or 30 minutes on high with pressure cooker. Remove the pork and reduce down the sauce about 50%. After pork has cooled, slice and pour sauce on pork. Garnish with cilantro or chopped green onions.